Alright guys, we got a repair review on a Donkey Stomper 300V-HG-1x2. Put the variable in like you wanted, the one turn. And got the input tuned down nothing, got everything taken care of. I need to have trouble with your variables. Got you fixed up. Do a little review. Input SWR. First let's look at a straight through SWR. Straight through, oil wide, 0. Input SWR, variable wide open. Nothing, 1, 2. Just enough to ease the meters. That's no SWR, 0. Alright. Average power 1000 on slug. Now remember, this is padded down so you can use it for a driver quite a bit. It would do more, but then you wouldn't be able to control the key, you wouldn't be able to drive, use it for drivers. It's 200 average. PV, a little under 5 average, PP. Alright. Now turn the variable halfway down, which you don't really want to do. Worldwide, let me show you the reason why. Well, turn the switch on. Hello, audio. The more you turn your variable down, hello, cut the variable down, see the SWR comes up a little bit. It will, because it's bleeding off power from driving the radio. So I did, you want to try to run the variable wide open. Hello, no SWR. Worldwide. We turn the D key down on your radio, then this into your 16, I'm assuming that's what you're wanting to do. Watch your D key, or to kill your 16. Worldwide, get it on down. Alright. PP on the LP. Worldwide. It's plain drive for what you want. There she is, man. Fixture and part. Donkey Stomper 300V-HG-1x2. Alright fellas, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10, 018 Babies. Catch you later. Bye bye.